Assalamualaikum and hi. Hari ni I nak share pasal natural makeup look, and it's so suitable for beginner, and sebab majority this product is from drugstore. Without further ado, let's get started. So actually my face dah pakai already pakai moisturizer. Next step is kita pakai apa ni? Okay. Kita pakai base. Base dia as for beginner, kita boleh start with BB cushion, or maybe pakai BB cream, this one. Yeah. So since kalau macam sebab kita nak starting kan. Alright, so kalau macam ada yang nak pakai straight to the foundation pun okay je. It's okay, it's on you. Sebab macam BB cushion and these two products macam dia is light, and yeah, suitable lah untuk orang-orang yang baru nak start. So yeah, let's get started. So dah done. Kakak je whatever. Okay, so I'm done with the BB cushion. So the next step is concealer. Okay, before that, kalau kita nak pilih foundation ke BB cushion ke whatsoever, or even concealer, pilih tone colour yang lebih satu kali or dua kali lebih cerah daripada kulit kita. Yes, that's the tips. So the next step is concealer. Done. So conceal pun dah. Kalau nak conceal guna jari pun okey. Asalkan pastikan sebelum semua ni kita start, kita kena bersihkan tangan kita dulu. Alright. So next step is, I don't know lah kalau I nak share this eyebrow, lukis eyebrow or not, but yeah, I think I'm not ready yet untuk share, but okay. So this is the next tip, sebab majority orang tak reti lukis screening, right? So yeah, especially with this kind of eyebrow, I'm using this. Yeah. So sebab I tak reti guna yang pencil ke eyeliner yang cair-cair, semua I tak reti. So I'm using this. I just fill my eyebrow using this, and I also bought this from UV, so alright, let's get started. This is my eyebrow. So the next is I'm gonna use eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this color or this color. Maybe this color. I'm gonna use this color. Yeah. So that's done. The next is I'm gonna colour juga bawah dia. Sekejap. Yeah. With the same colour. So I akan campur. I akan tambah ni dengan ni. This one colour dengan ni. Yeah. Alright. The next step is mascara. Macam mana? Alright, I'm using this mascara from Maybelline. The Falsies Push Up Drama. Yeah. So, I already done my mascara. Okay, the next is I'm gonna use apa kita nak buat lepas tu? Alright, sabar. Alright, this one, blusher. Okay, I'm using this blusher from Into It. Yeah, so disebabkan kita guna buat natural makeup look kind of. Yeah, so I tak prefer pakai a peachy one or a nude one. I prefer a pink one. Sebab kadang-kadang tak perasan. Mami, apa ni? So yeah, sikit je. Habuk. So yeah, I'm done with the blusher. So okay, next step is what? The next step is actually this one kalau tak nak pakai tak apa. This one is highlighter palette from Essence. Ya, dia dah sangat-sangat buruk. Dah nak buruk. Memang bukan dah nak, memang buruk. So kalau macam tak nak pakai pun tak apa. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's alright. So yeah, I'm gonna use this one. This color. Okay, so as everyone knows, highlighter is work the best kalau kita guna jari. Alright, it's so the best. This tudung. So yeah, look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah. Alright, the last step is, of course, lipstick. So today I'm gonna use 2 lipstick. I'm gonna use this Maybelline color Jolt Matte and Stains Intense Lip Paint pakai outer. And I'm using this Peripera. So yeah, this is the look, the outcome of the makeup I've used before. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.